Elon Musk, the recently appointed owner of Twitter and self-described free speech absolutist, is going to receive a crash course in international content management. After completing his $44 billion takeover on Thursday, one of his first actions was to fire the social media platform's senior executives, including Vijay Agati, who was in charge of trust and safety. Additionally, he tweeted a reassuring message to hesitant advertisers, telling them that he wouldn't permit Twitter to turn into a free-for-all hellscape. The issue is that nobody can have it both ways, not even the richest man in the world. Following Musk's takeover on Friday, some conservative figures leapt on Twitter to repost long-debunked conspiracies in an apparent attempt to determine if the site's restrictions against spreading false information were still being followed. Most individuals don't want to spend time in chaotic online areas where they are bombarded by racist and sexist trolls, and advertisers don't want to promote their products next to upsetting, racist, and nasty messages. GM announced on Friday that it would suspend its Twitter advertising while it considers Musk's plans for the site. However, according to Lou Pascalis, a former head of media for Bank of America, many Fortune 100 corporations are among Twitter's most devoted advertisers and are likely to stick around until some very nasty things occur. Musk appears to view Twitter as a digital public square where everyone has an equal say, according to Eddie Perez, a former Twitter civic integrity team leader. Perez described it as a cute concept of the contemporary town plaza. However, that's not how the main social networking sites operate. Instead, they have evolved into potent instruments of asymmetric warfare, and many of their users are unaware that they are being duped by foreign states and nefarious domestic players, many of whom are well-resourced. Musk said on Friday that no decisions on content or reinstatements will be made until a Content Moderation Council is established. This is despite the fact that it had been expected that he would restore banned accounts, including those of Representative Marjorie Taylor Greene and conspiracy theorist Alex Jones. He stated that the council would include various opinions, but he did not provide any further information. Although Twitter has spent years developing its content moderation system, which is still far from ideal, Musk may be starting from scratch. As such, experts have expressed grave concerns about Musk's efforts. After all, the Tesla CEO has little experience navigating the temperamental and geopolitical world of social media, even if he is a constant and wildly popular user of the site he just bought. The forthcoming elections in Brazil, the US, and other countries have increased interest in whether he will let some prominent conservative figures who were banned from Twitter to return. In response to a conservative political podcaster who claimed that the platform favors liberals and covertly downgrades conservative viewpoints, Musk tweeted early on Friday, "I will be digging in more today." Donald Trump, the former president, who was a frequent tweeter before being blocked, tweeted on Friday that he was extremely delighted that Twitter is back in reasonable hands, but he also touted his own social media website, Truth Social, which he started after being barred from the more popular platform. Another priority for Musk is to fulfill his commitment to remove the spam bots, fake profiles, that have bothered him and Twitter ever since he first indicated interest in buying the company. The bot count is important because advertisers, Twitter's main source of income, want to know roughly how many actual people their ads are reaching. In the fight against bad actors assembling an army of accounts to spread false information or harass political rivals, it's crucial as well.